Mrs. Rama Devi Perni ma'am and Mrs. Supriya Saho ma'am will now present the annual report. Let's take a moment to celebrate our milestones and achievements as a school.
Esteemed guests and teachers and my beloved students, good afternoon. This gives me more energy. Thank you so much. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. As this quote beautifully conveys, each dream carries a seed of transformation, inspiring us to raise beyond the limitations and embrace the journey of learning and discovery with purpose and passion. With immense joy and heartfelt warmth, I welcome you all to Neo Gitanjali School's Kridayan, the sports meet, the journey towards victory. Today is not the day just to celebrate the success, but the heartfelt acknowledgement of collective spirit, determination and accomplishments of our school. We are very much delighted to have the chief guest MCHR Krishnam Raj Garu with us. Every year at Neo Gitanjali School, we take bold strides towards achieving our mission of academic excellence and holistic development. This year, we celebrate Kridayan, the journey towards victory. We reflect on the milestones achieved and the aspirations that continue to propel us forward. The visionary leadership of Suresh Babu Damara Garu, our esteemed founder and director, laid the foundation of this institution. His belief in the transformative power of education has guided us in creating a nurturing environment where every student thrives academically, emotionally and socially. Starting with 500 students in 2022, we are proud to grow with the impressive strength of 1,000 plus in 2024, a testament and the trust placed in the school by the parents and the tireless efforts of my team, teachers. Expanding origin with feeling that sky is the only limit. The momentous achievements is the result of dedication and the hard work of our incredible staff and the enthusiasm and the achievements of my students, and most importantly, the unwavering support and the trust of you all parents. And happy to announce the expansion of NGS, its second branch. This expansion is not only just a milestone for the school, but shared success of entire community. It is a step towards ensuring that more children benefit from the transformative education that Neo Gitanjali School stands for. Thank you for being an integral part of this incredible journey, parents. Here's a new beginning and the greater heights. When we talk about the heights of success and the remarkable journey of Neo Gitanjali School, how can we not speak about the driving force behind it? It's none other than our dynamic director, Mr. Suresh Babu Garu, the visionary founder of Neo Gitanjali School. He believes in empowering students to become a critical thinkers, compassionate individuals, and responsible global citizens. His vision extends beyond academics, and he strongly emphasizes nurturing creativity, character building, and sense of responsibility in every child. The academic year has been a celebration and achievement across the domains. From academic excellence and the sports victories to cultural triumphs and community initiatives, our students have risen to every challenge with enthusiasm and determination. Highlights of the year include academic milestones, sports achievements, cultural brilliance, and community engagements. We are delighted to share the remarkable achievements and accolades of Neo Gitanjali School has earned this year, reflecting our dedication to excellence in education and holistic development. Neo Gitanjali School has proudly earned several prestigious awards this year, reflecting its commitment to the excellence and innovation. The school received Principal Award and was named as Best Digital School by EEC 2024 by Ek Upadesh for integrating technology in education. It was honored with the Best School Award by Time to Grow for fostering the quality education and holistic development, and the Dynamic School Award by E-News ET Award for its innovation and adaptable approach. And Jana Vijnana Vedika Award, State Award, recognized the school's effort in promoting the scientific curiosity in the students, while BrainFit ET Tech Trailblazer Award celebrated its excellence in inclusive education, infrastructure, and digital technology. Recently, the Indian School Merit Award acknowledged the school's personalized approach towards students' growth and learning. These achievements showcase Neo Gitanjali School's dedication to provide the world-class education for all our students. Our students have excelled in diverse fields, bringing laurels to the school and marking us all very proud. So let us celebrate these achievements. V. Brunda was honored with the prestigious Nandi Award for her outstanding performance in the dance. And at the same time, Miss Samhita and Srinidhi of grade 9 were awarded with International Nandi Awards in Malaysia and Singapore, and added a golden feather to the cap of NGS. Sandika of grade 7 has achieved recognition in Guinness World Records for her extraordinary dance performance. Harshavardhan from grade 7 and Ishan Sai of grade 4, representing the school, they have won national level badminton championship, showcasing their exceptional skill and determination. Jashrita, a proud student of grade 3, has brought laurels to our school by winning gold medal in prestigious Telangana state level Taekwondo championship. More than 150 students have got laurels under sports categories like running race, kho-kho, skating, and even in the international representations in dance, music and fine arts. In the primary wing, out of 400 participants in Olympic exams, 300 students have scored 100% marks and got gold medals and qualified for the second level. Likewise, high school wing, 200 students are qualified for the next round and 100 plus students are awarded with gold and silver medals. Now, as we reflect the vibrant and eventful months of the year, let me brief about the first term, out of it, the month of June 2024. It's a pleasure to share the highlights of activities, events, and marked beginning of another wonderful academic year 2024 and 25 at NGS. June was a vibrant start, brimming with the celebrations and activities. Telangana Formation Day was marked with special assemblies with the staff showcasing the state's rich culture. World Environment Day inspired eco-friendly initiatives like sapling planting and poster making competition. And Back to School brought students back with a cheerful reunions. Orientation programs introduced parents and students to school's goals. Father's Day was celebrated with heartfelt moments, and school elections were highlighted democracy in nation. International Yoga Day emphasized well-being and paired with creative drawing competition. The investiture ceremony honored new student council, where we are honored to have Major Sridhar Taluri Garu as the alumnus of IIM Ahmedabad, currently serves as a manager for Reserve Bank of India. His expertise in management and leadership has made a significant impact in this field. And the month ended with the dazzling dance competition Sayandi Padam, the rhythm that resonates, leaving everyone inspired and energized. July was the month filled with learning, joy and cultural celebrations. We began by honoring doctors with a heartfelt gathering highlighting the significance of the healthcare for our tiny tots of pre-primary. Chocolate Day added the sweetness as the students shared treats, spreading joy and the friendship. Field trips enriched learning with students to the historical places and tribal heritages. Creative talents shone in the vibrant drawing competition by the younger grades of grade 3, 4 and 5. So pre-primary learners enthusiastically participated in the first assessment and a special event, the inter-school competition Battle with Minds, concluded with a vigorous and lively Bonalu celebrations, uniting everyone through the cultural and the traditional festivities. August was the eventful and enriching month at Neogitanjali School, filled with celebrations, competitions and the learning experiences. Friendship Day fostered the kindness among the pre-primary students, while inter-class competition, Friendship with Nature, highlighted the importance of environmental conservation. Students showcased problem-solving skills with the Sudoku competition, and Tiny Tots charmed everyone with their lively fancy dress competition. And Independence Day was celebrated with a patriotic fervor through dances and honoring the flag and other cultural performances. Krishnashtami brought the joy with the dances and bhajanas, and inter-house event Krishnam Vande Jagat Guru has given a big milestone to our NGS. National Sports Day promoted fitness and the sportsman spirit, and while the poetic inter-house competition celebrating the literary talents and expressions of the students through Kavi Sammelan. And the podcast was inaugurated by Mrutyunjay Shankar Garu and the Cybercrime Intervention Officer with a great enthusiasm. It marked an innovation platform for the students to express their thoughts, ideas and creativity. This initiation aims to enhance the communication skills and to foster a spirit of collaboration along the learners. September was a month of achievements and the celebrations, marking the successful completion of Term 1, and the Teachers' Day celebrations honored the dedication of the teachers through heartfelt performances and gratitude-filled gestures. Students promoted environmental awareness with eco-friendly Ganesha idol making activity and showcased their creativity and lively rhymes and storytelling competitions. And inspiring orientation sessions for the senior school students by Endamuri Virendranath Garu motivated them with valuable life lessons. The pre-primary sections celebrated Onam with cultural festivities, games and traditional attires. While the month concluded with the vibrant Dasara celebrations emphasizing the triumph of good over the evil. The month of September was both productive and joyous. From academic assessments to cultural celebrations, our students excelled in all the aspects. With the successful completion of Term 1, we moved forward with much more enthusiasm, learning and the achievements in the next term. We continue to aim high, work hard and achieve even greater heights in the coming months as well. Striving for the excellence, we celebrated our accomplishments. We remained committed to growth and the improvement. Every challenge is a stepping stone and every milestone achieved impressed us to aim more higher. In the words of Mahatma Gandhi, live as if you were to die tomorrow. Learn as if you were to live forever. These values guide us as we prepare students to embrace a future full of possibilities. Now here, as we revel in the achievements of Kridayan 2024, the journey towards victory, we also set our sight on the road ahead. With steady dedication, let us continue to nurture young minds, cherishing a legacy of excellence and compassion. The journey of Kridayan is not only today. The Kridayan is fueled by the belief that dreams don't work unless you do it. Teachers have motivated and encouraged each and every student, and students embraced with the motto, success is the sum of small efforts repeated daily. And alone we can do very little. Together we can do much. This is the mantra of NEON. Since 1 month, Kridayan was on live, filled every NEON with the sportsman spirit. Thank you for your continued support in making this journey extraordinary. Let us move forward together, reaching the new heights and creating the brighter future.
So it is with immense joy and pride to welcome you all to this grand celebration of our sports meet Kridayan, the journey towards victory. Today is not just a day presenting talent and sportsmanship. It is a day to celebrate the incredible milestone what NGS has created and settled. I am sincerely honored to welcome our guest, and we have already witnessed his challenges, his success. And children have all, I think the children might have motivated by it also. As the great saying goes, challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them what makes life meaningful. This year has been evidence to our hard work and determination. NGS has always emphasized the importance of holistic development. This reflected in various engaging events throughout the year till December. Let me begin with our association with the success and its story with Pride Moment. The NI newspaper is brimming with news of Neogitanjali's remarkable event and achievements, flaunting out dedication to inclusive education, innovation, and students' excellence. From receiving numerous awards and achievements to being featured for conducting enriching events, we have excelled in every area. It is matter of pride that NGS is the first school in this whole vicinity that receiving Digital Innovation Award and the Best School Award who provides personal care for the students. It is a matter that academic year entered in a vibrant second term October. The spirit of celebration and the competition began with the Dasara celebrations. Term 1, students, teachers, and parents geared up with renowned enthusiasm for term 2. We had a PTM to review students' progress, a thrilling picnic and rock sport adventure for our pre-primary students, and a vibrant vibrant Halloween day for grade 1 students. We showcased their creativity in calligraphy for grade 1 to grade 9th, where children showed their extraordinary talent in writing different beautiful patterns of writing. The month November is marked by social gatherings such as community suppers, feast of Thanksgiving, and general election. November was filled with exciting activities for our students. December was a vibrant month filled with learning, creativity, and celebration. It began with grade 8 to 10 showcasing their scientific brilliance in JVV Chakamuki Science Samaralu Fest on 1st December. Young learners from grade 1 and 2 demonstrated their knowledge in quiz competition on 7th December, whereas pre-primary students enjoyed Mathematics Day very recently, that is yesterday, 20th of December. The month ended with joyous Christmas holidays and anticipation for a New Year class party on 31st of December, wrapping up with the year with fun and excitement. Here I am super excited to present the remaining part. Before I conclude this annual report, I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt appreciation to the dedicated team that has made this year a grand success. Let me acknowledge the visionary leadership of our esteemed director, Mr. Suresh Babu sir. Under his dynamic guidance and unwavering commitment, NGS has always flourished into a center of excellence. His focus on innovation, academic growth, and holistic development has empowered both students and teachers. And now, the turn of the person who always think big, dream bigger, and landed up with biggest. That is none other than my friend and the dynamic principal, Mrs. Ramadevi Perni. Let me take a moment to recognize a remarkable lady with a vision as vast as her dream. Her steadfast keenness and relentless quest of excellence have been highly influenced in shaping NGS into the institution we take immense pride in today. A special mention to Mrs. Sujita. Is there somewhere nearby? Sujita. Okay, yeah, I could see you. So, Mrs. Sujita, for her outstanding coordination of high school, ensuring smooth execution of academics and extraordinary activities, extracurricular activities with her extraordinary effort. My sincere gratitude to only and one only Mrs. Sarita, the primary coordinator, who managed the primary section with exceptional care and dedication, ably supported by Mrs. Swagatika and Mrs. Sarita, that is Chinna Sarita, from pre-primary, whose hard work shaped our tiny tots with love and enthusiasm. Finally, the heartfelt and resounding appreciation to Mrs. Rekha, whose close dedication and tireless efforts that have been taken Neogitanjali at the next level. Now the turn comes for my dear parents and my dear charming, beautiful teachers. Your tireless and hard work from last 15 days is really deserve a big round of applause from parents. Kindly give a big round of applause for my charming and beautiful and hardworking teachers. Thank you very much. Let us together strive for even greater heights and fly the flag of success in high and high. Here for NGS, sky is the only limit. Thank you parents for your patience.